Hey everyone, Jason Schappert here of MzeroA.com and RemotePilot101.com, and as promised, I have some big news to share. So over the past 8 years, we've done a big event called the Aviation Seminar at Sea, which is actually a small, kind of intimate event where myself and the MzeroA family, we share an amazing vacation with you all while conducting aviation safety seminars in an effort to make ourselves safer, smarter pilots. Now, we also launched our highly successful Aviation Mastery seminar series, where over 2 days we dug deep into topics like cockpit technology, in-flight emergencies, and of course, most importantly, real-world flying. As any alumni of an Aviation Mastery event will tell you, it is a must-attend event. Well, this year we had a crazy idea. What if we combine our 2 most successful events into one amazing event? With that, Aviation Mastery at Sea was born. Join myself, the MzeroA family, and my very good friends Stevo and my new friend Brennon Edwards, who works with companies like Netflix and Hulu, all utilizing a drone. Not only will this cruise be a fantastic educational opportunity, but a family-friendly event as well, since we'll be launching our brand new CoPilot course at the event as well. This isn't a traditional pinch hitter type course that you've seen before. We'll be actually teaching non-flying spouses how to truly be an asset in the cockpit so that you all can work together and be better as a team, exercising proper crew resource management. So in addition to having CoPilot breakout sessions for our co-pilots that'll be attending, we'll also have breakout sessions on in-flight emergencies, aviation weather, aviation technology, and drone technology and flying as well. This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime educational experience and a chance to spend 5 days with some of the most passionate people I know in aviation. Beyond the educational experiences, we'll be hosting beach time gatherings, aviation trivia, a photo scavenger hunt, and I am officially challenging, I want to make it known here, Stevo and Brennon to a ping pong and volleyball tournament. So Aviation Mastery at Sea attendees, choose your teams wisely with that. The Aviation Mastery at Sea cruise, it departs Fort Lauderdale, Florida on October 26th and returns October 31st. All details and prices are listed on the website aviationmastery.com with a link in this video description. The price includes the cruise, the seminars, and all our event activities. We also have limited spots available for our Aviation Mastery Diamond Package, which includes an exclusive dinner at one of the specialty restaurants with myself, Stevo, and Brennon Edwards, while also guaranteeing you an exclusive reserved seating spot up front and a few other great gifts. We only have 24 diamond spots available though, so please act fast on that. Visit aviationmastery.com to view the prices and reserve your spot today. So on behalf of myself, the MzeroA.com and Remote Pilot 101 teams, congratulations. Congratulations on taking the next step towards being a safer, smarter pilot, and we look forward to seeing you all in October.